for today's video, I am going to make New York Style Cheesecake. Hi everyone, welcome back to Life of Pang. Line the rice cooker with aluminum foil and just line it nicely so that there isn't any hole. I am also lining it with some baking paper, and this is just additional for me because I'm making it the first time. I don't want the crust to be burnt, and it will make it a lot easier to get it off of the cheesecake when we're ready. Go ahead and mix your butter with your cracker crumbs. It doesn't have to be perfect, just make sure that it's all covered in butter. And now pour your crumb into your rice cooker and then press it down gently, firmly with some sort of flat object that you can push it down. In your mixing bowl, let's go ahead and mix the cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla. And mix it until it's all mixed well together. Mix it at a low speed and make sure you are getting the sides as well. And if you need to, stop and use your spatula to scrape the sides and the bottoms. Make sure you get all that cream cheese well mixed in. And before I add my eggs, I tasted my batter to make sure it's at the right sweetness for me. And then add in the eggs and add one egg at a time and then mix it well. And then carefully pour your batter into the rice cooker. Try not to get any batter outside of your lining. And cut or fold over any hanging foil or baking paper so that our rice cooker will seal tightly. And let's start our first cook. And what I usually do is the minute I press the button, I'll put on a timer for 30 minutes. And I do that because I keep forgetting to come back and push that button. There are a few important things you need to know if you're new to baking in your rice cooker. The rice cooker will stay in this cooked state for only about 5 minutes, and then it will go into the warm state. And this is normal because the rice cooker needs to cool down. During the baking process, there's not a lot of liquid, and so the rice cooker must cool down. But don't worry, during this warm state, your cake is still baking. So try not to open the rice cooker until after the second or third cook cycle. And if you try pushing that cook button and it doesn't want to stay on the cook status and keeps going back to warm, that just means it needs a longer period to cool down. So give it another 10 minutes and then try to push that cook button again. And as always, if you want the full recipe, go ahead and expand the information text box below this video. After 3 cycles, I checked and it looks like it's done, but in the middle it just seems like it's still a little bit too creamy, so I'm gonna make it one more cycle. This is after the 4th cycle and it looks pretty good. So we're just gonna take it out and let it cool at room temperature for a while. It is best to chill your cheesecake for at least 4 hours before cutting it. So I'm just going to put it into my Tupperware and put it in my refrigerator until the next day. So here we are, folks, our cheesecake. It looks delicious, doesn't it? I'm not sure if my lining is gonna come up real easy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut a piece first and see how that goes. And it seems like that piece came out relatively easy. Let's just carefully remove our foil paper and baking paper off. You can eat it like this, or I have this strawberry pie topping, so I'm just gonna put some of that on mine. And look at how beautiful that cheesecake is. Oh, my mouth is watering. You guys, you gotta make this. This is so good. Make it and put in the comment below to let me know how yours turned out. I really would like to know. I hope you like my videos. Please hit that thumbs up button if you like my videos. And if you want to see more of my videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not done so. You don't want to miss any of my other videos, so make sure you hit that notification bell. And be sure to come back to watch more videos, okay? So until next time, have a wonderful day.